How can I fix my Messenger active status so that it accurately reflects my online status?
Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a commonly asked question. How can I fix my Messenger active status so that it accurately reflects my online status? Sometimes, our status might not show us as active, even though we're online, or it may show us as active when we're not. No worries, we'll guide you through the process to fix this issue. Let's dive in.
Why is my active status on Messenger not accurate?
Sometimes the active status on Messenger might not accurately reflect whether you're online or not. This could be due to a few reasons. App glitches, outdated versions of the app, or incorrect settings can all cause this issue.
How to fix Messenger active status on mobile?
Firstly, make sure that you are using the latest version of the Messenger app. You can update the app through Google Play Store for Android users or App Store for iOS users. To change your active status on your mobile, follow these steps. 1. Open Messenger on your mobile device. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. 3. Under the privacy section, you will find active status. 4. Tap on it. Then you can toggle the switch on or off depending on whether you want to show when you're active or not. Please note, turning off your active status means that you won't be able to see other people's active status.
How to fix Messenger active status on desktop?
For desktop users, follow these steps. 1. Open Messenger on your web browser. 2. Click on your profile picture in the top left corner. 3. In the menu, select Preferences, then Active Status. 4. Here, you can check or uncheck the box for showing when you're active. As with the mobile app, turning off your active status means that you won't be able to see other people's active status. And that's it. We've now walked through how to fix your Messenger active status on both mobile and desktop versions. By ensuring you have the correct settings and the latest version of the app, you should be able to accurately display your online status. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other tech-related questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Remember, knowledge is power.